Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable virtualization without BIOS. It's a very simple and easy trick to turn on your virtualization. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to come over your search options, and here you just need to search for Windows features. You can see turn Windows feature on or off. So if you click on that, you'll get the interface of Windows feature. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will find an option called virtual machine platform. So basically you just need to turn it on, and you just need to click on OK and search for record files with automatically applying your changes. And you can see they are requiring for a restart now. So if you click on the restart now, it will automatically helps you to enable your virtualization. Basically, this is how you can turn on virtualization without going to BIOS section. So if your virtualization is turned on, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. If you want to see how to use BIOS section to turn on virtualization, comment me into the videos below. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.